This is the Big Fig bed frame assembly tutorial. Step 1. Set side rails out parallel to each other. Be sure the headboard brackets are across from each other with the leg attachments facing in towards each other before moving on. Step 2. Starting at the left headboard bracket, insert a cross rail into the slot at the top of the leg. Push down until you hear a snap. This means that the plastic locking cap has secured. Side note here, to disassemble, you will need to pull out on the locking cap while lifting up on the cross rail to release the connection. Step 3. Using the same cross rail, move to its opposite end and insert it into the slot above the leg closest to the right headboard bracket. Again, be sure it has snapped into place. Step 4. Using the second cross rail, repeat steps 2 and 3 at the base of the frame, slots furthest from the headboard bracket. Step 5. Assemble the feet of the bed by inserting a socket into each of the 6 feet, or if it is a twin/twin XL frame. Step 6. Then insert the top of an assembled foot into each of the 6 frame legs. Step 7. Finish the side rails by applying an end cap to each of the exposed frame edges furthest from the headboard brackets. Still with me? Step 8. Insert one center rail. Make sure it is facing outward and you are starting at the top towards the headboard. Insert into the slot of the leg of the cross rail and press down. Using the same center rail, insert the bottom of the rail into the cross rail at the bottom of the bed. Repeat the same steps with the second center rail. Note, center rails will fit snugly but are not locked into place. Be careful when moving the frame. Alright, finally, step 9. Assembly is complete and you can now carefully move your bed frame into its final location before layering on the foundation and the mattress.